So I'm working on my little Jeep model, and I need a wash. I've got the red oxide wash from Vallejo, but I need a brown wash. I want a brown wash. So I don't have it handy, and I don't want to wait on it. So I'm going to make it. And the recipe is going to be an old water washable marker that was left over by one of my kids, and a couple other ingredients. So let's knock that together. So this is a little messy, so we want to protect the area. And just grab an old piece of cardboard here, kind of slide it in. Okay. There we are. And just dispose of that. There's the treasure containing device. Yeah, there's still some good ink left in there. Pair of tweezers. And that goes away. And that goes in there. We want to apply, I use Airbrush thinner for this. And looks like it's going to be, yeah, that's good. I'm going to top that off. And extract the ink into the water. And see, we got most of it out. I have the ink water to this, and I don't know, looks like we got about 3-4 ounces. We need to add some texture to it, just a little bit. And for that, let me see what we've got. For that, we're just going to add some acrylic, craft acrylic paint. This is burnt sienna. Doesn't need a huge amount. There we are. Going to give it an extra dose of the rinse aid. This is a wetting agent. This will help it flow more better. Doesn't take much. And then we need to agitate that vigorously. I don't want to shake it, I just want to stir it. Because we're going to put it into a different container as soon as I get to the different container. Where are you at? And then we'll stir it up. And there's a brown wash. Let's give you an idea of what we're looking at color-wise. Oh yeah, That's what we're looking for. That's good. Yeah. Okay. That needs to be bottled. Don't think it will. No, it will not overflow the bottle. And there you have it, brown wash. Let's mark it. There we have it, brown wash.